Hey there, my name's Adam. This is Cooking on the Road, and this channel is for people just like you, just like me too, who want more than just cooking at home, but are not in a position to be living in an RV or living in a van or camping all the time. And if you're anything like me, you still want to get out. I still want to get out. I still want to have that feeling of going somewhere, setting up, making something good to eat outdoors. So this channel is my real life version of that. No fake travel show, no polished recipes, no chef stuff. Just day trips, simple meals, cooked outdoors, always with cast iron. Maybe not always with cast iron. Fire when I can use it. This is Florida. There's been a burn ban. Propane when I need it. Sometimes it's charcoal. Real places that just make the whole thing feel like it's worth doing. Sometimes I'm going to be cooking on a grill. Sometimes it's going to be on my little propane burner. But the point is always going to be the same. Get out of the house, go somewhere that's worth going to, and make a real meal outside. So if that sounds like something that you want to do, well, then you're in the right spot. This is Cooking on the Road, born from fire, perfected on the grill. Now do me a big favor, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, let me know where you're watching from.